say nice with the Clippers. He say nice with the Clippers. I'm grateful.
Never met a girl in my life like you before. You make all my dreams come true. I love the way you carry me and what you can do. How I can taste. You don't have to say how much you care for me.
Afro.
Cause it's written all over you.
Afro. Hey, a Band-Aid. I mean, rubber band. I'm sorry, rubber band. Appreciate it.
This one?
Yeah. There you go. We're gonna do it? Yeah, I got it. All right.
Don't you know it's written all over the place? You don't have to say a word. Just smile, 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 smile for me. It's better than any word I've ever heard. You don't have to say how much you love me, girl, because you show me every day.
Yeah, I used to do my own stuff. I see you kind of nice, so I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go do it. I see you kind of nice with it. I'm like, let's do it. I really don't let niggas touch my head, but I see your shit with you guys with skills. I was like, I'm gonna try.
I love what you carry. You got a lot of class and good taste. But you don't have to say how much you care for me. Spit all over your baby. Hey, sing a song now. It's all over the place. You don't have to say now. You don't have to say a word. Yeah, just smile, 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 smile for me. Any word I've ever heard.
I liking it here, man. I even liking it here.
It's paradise.
Tell me a little bit about where you come from, man.
Okay, I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. I come from a family of 6 kids, 5 girls, 1 boy. It's just me. I got a twin sister.
Oh, you got a twin. You a twin?
Yeah, I'm a twin. My oldest 2 sisters twins as well.
Oh, wow.
So they're running my genes. So one of them got twin boys.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
So had both my moms and dad in my life. Started. My dad was in the military for a little bit. My mom was a full-time mom, probably up until she was about 32 when they had us. Probably a little bit longer after that, 33, 34. Hit about 7 years old. I started wrestling. My pops put me in the sports. And I was really into sports for shit most of my life. He worked at the post office. So he was a 9 to 5 worker. My mom worked at a daycare. She 9 to 5. So basically it was with me and my sisters. And when I kind of went on my own, I was around like 12, start, getting into the world, start going outside the house. Went to high school, finished high school. Wrestling in high school, actually got probably like a 75% scholarship to the University of Pittsburgh when I was 17. Went there that summer and I graduated in 2013.
For wrestling.
For wrestling. Went there 2013. Now got in some trouble down there, moving around with some drugs, some guns, disrespecting women. Not disrespecting them in the sense of, being violent with them, verbally abusing them. Women told on me, told the cops that I had some drugs, some guns in the house. Went to jail for that. Lost a scholarship. Ended up coming back home in Cleveland.
How long you was in jail?
So that was the second time. I was only in there for a week. The first time, I actually went to bat for my mom. She had hit me up. This was my freshman year in college. She hit me up that summer when I came home. She said her dude was touching on her, hitting on her. Me and my dude went over there, put a hurting on him. Broke the orbital in his eye, jaw in his ribs. We ended up getting 45 days apiece in jail. County.
Aggravated battery.
No, they actually charged with felonious assault, kidnapping, intimidation, and we got a witness or a victim. But I was doing so well in school and, in my neighborhood, Salvation Army, I had people vouching for me, And I only got that 45 days there. But when I was in PA, I got that week. But how that played out, I lost everything that time. Lost scholarship. Had to come back home, start from scratch. So I came back home and I actually got in touch with Notre Dame College in Cleveland. Ended up going there for like a year. And my past started catching up with me. The school wasn't any wrestle there. So I just was going to school for a little bit. Then I met my first baby mama there. As soon as she got
You got kids?
Yeah, I got 2 daughters.
With one woman?
No, 2 different ones. So when I met my baby mother, she got pregnant there.
This all in Ohio?
All in Ohio. Dropped out of school there. Me and her moved in with my mom for a little bit. Me and my mom had some tension. She ended up evicting us because of my mom. We got evicted by my mom's spot that winter.
So wait a minute. Your mom got into it with a dude, you broke his eyes out.
Yeah. This was before I came back to school. Came back to Cleveland.
And then you get into it with your mom.
Then I get into it with my mom. Yeah. Like later on down the line, after when my baby mama got pregnant,
Right.
I'm just in her house. She, you feel me? She ruled her house. You feel me? You can't bite the hand that feeds you. She want things done a certain way in her house. And I was just, I feel like she was stepping over her boundaries, but she wasn't. She was just being a woman, a single woman in the house. And I had to acknowledge that after the fact. But yeah, we got into it. She had like 4 police officers come in the crib.
Hold on. So you went to bat for her, almost got locked up for doing major time for doing that.
Yep.
And then she called the cops on you?
Like a year and a half later, yeah. Yep. Come home. She said, yeah, you want old girl to come move in with me? Y'all come stay here. Like 4 white police officers come over, they come through.
After you done broke a nigga shit for her?
After I did all that. That's when me and her relationship really changed, Start seeing people for who they were. Yeah. So, matter of fact, right before I met my first baby mom, I went to jail in Cleveland for 45 days. Then I tapped into you, 2017, May, around this time.
Right outside of jail.
me sitting in jail by myself for that 45 days, like, I felt super lonely, but I had time to sit down and actually think and process what was going on in my life. I didn't know myself. I got a lot of Piscean energy, so I was confused and didn't know what was going on in my
Go ahead. Yeah.
So yeah, I just wanted to.
So you how you tap into me?
So yeah, while sitting in jail, I wanted to, figure out how to move forward in life and how to process what was going on in my life. I ain't really trust my family. I ain't feel like I had no family. I really put the line out here. I didn't want to go get a job. I didn't want to go back to school. I actually had, some charges on my record. I don't have no felonies, but you put up somebody's record, you see all the charges they have, and that kind of deterred me from wanting to even go get a job from somebody. So I tapped into you 2017 May. Shit, I've been enlightened ever since. Actually, when y'all was in Belize,
All the way back then?
yeah, when y'all was in Belize, I even contacted you back then. I got me and my first baby mama. We ended up getting passports. We went to Sartoneda. We was there for like a month.
Appreciate that. Now what?
Yeah, we ended up going to Sartoneda in Belize. We was there for a month and a half. But I was confused then. I kind of still wanted to be taken care of. I was still had like a codependent type energy. I ended up reaching out to you, like, yo, you gotta do your own thing. I took that as in, you gotta go out and experience life and do your own thing. So I went back and I actually ended up breaking up with my baby mama. Kind of was in a very weak position and didn't know how to go about having my first child. So I was watching your videos consistently every day.
So you've been following me since Belize?
Since Belize, 2017.
Damn.
Yeah. So you inspired me to, get off my butt and go get go fend for myself. So the right way, the correct way, without going and messing around in the street. So I went to barber school after my.
So you went to barber school because of me? Okay. I thought you knew I was a barber.
You inspired. Yeah, I knew that.
Okay.
Me. It was the video.
Like, fuck it, I'm gonna go back and do what he did.
Yeah, it was a video you had made in Costa Rica. I think that video got taken down on the page.
Oh, I was like, who the fuck is that? That's Shorty. Okay. What video?
What was the video, man? We were just talking about. He was in like a desk, office type area, and he was talking about.
I was playing chess.
No, he wasn't playing chess. He was sitting in front of the camera talking, and he was talking about basically how you made it out of Babylon. And you like pussy. I can go buy some pussy. Don't want some pussy, for real. And I was like, man,
I gave you the blueprint.
Yeah, like this real. And I'm like, man, I don't need none of this. So I ended up going to barber school. Started getting money from there. Started making my own, got my own crib, car. Ended up having another child by another woman. And shit. Got another girlfriend after that. I knew I had to take the initiative. I knew I had to do this. So my mom really couldn't focus too much on a relationship with Babylon. So yeah, a couple months ago, I broke up with the last shorty, and I'm like, man, this is it for me. I drew the line. I'm here.
You got in.
I'm here.
I was ready to receive before I wasn't.
Yeah, before you wasn't.
Let's see, maybe somebody got something to say.
But I don't think it was you. It was just me not being ready. My university, I wasn't ready.
Mm-hmm.
You know, pick up my uncle and work the mission.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm grateful for the opportunity now, man.
Yeah. That's good. At least you've been following me a long time. Niggas can't talk your brain off. You know what I'm saying?
I got hard about what I get myself into.
So you already been studying for years, so it's not like you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Why is my internet acting up?
Yeah, anything else you want to know?
I try to get to know somebody for what they show me, rather than where they from.
Right,
A
right.
little something where they from is cool, but
Mm-hmm.
I watch you. I just be observing and seeing who you are like that. Because if somebody try to judge you from your past, they might not really be able to get to understand you. You know what I'm saying? So that's good. And the questions will just come. What's your age?
25 years young.
Hey, good. What's your relationship like with your dad?
That's my homie, man. That's my dude. We just really didn't have too much of a father-son relationship. It was kind of a coach and player type relationship, you know. He wasn't in the household much of the time. He was working all the time, like night shift. But when we wrestling since I was 7, so he there all the time. We work out in the basement every day before you go to work. Get it in. My uncle will be here helping out. We traveled a lot together. Probably traveled every week to go to a tournament, probably to another state, get some experience. But yeah, so before I came here, you know, I want to talk to my pops, you know.
What do you say? You know who I am?
You don't know who you is, but you know you say we are our fathers, and I wholeheartedly believe that. And I would talk to him, I would speak the knowledge to him, and I can just feel it resonating with him. And
Right.
you know, he didn't wish me nothing but the best of luck. It's my life. I can't do nothing but respect that. That's my guy.
Right. That's good. What's his son?
He's a Sagittarius.
Oh, he a wild dude.
Yeah.
You like his freedom.
Yeah, definitely. But I couldn't tell that. He was like,
Very controlled and disciplined.
yeah, and he was a mystery to me. I ain't know nothing about his life other than he wrestling when he was in high school, and he my father. That's all I knew. There really wasn't too much room to be objective about what's going on in his life.
So
My son in Pisces in 12th house, so it was like
you got
hidden.
2 daughters though.
Yeah, I got 2 daughters.
With crazy baby mama.
Yeah. Beautiful baby mama.
Yeah. Appreciate that, Tyler. That's good. So you've been watching me for years on the joint.
Years. You all I talked about, the mission, all I talked about since I tapped in. I gotta go do this, I'm about to go this, I'm gonna go to the travels.
Niggas know about me out there in Ohio?
Nah. Only people that knew about you was the people that I was talking to you were talking to them about. You know, chief.
Appreciate it, Lex.
Yeah, I don't see too many people wrote. Matter of fact, I did meet one girl that knew about.
The woman know about me more than anything.
Yeah, but she was on a whole different level. Yeah, but other than that, I feel like I was the only one that knew something about you.
Secret society.
Secret society.
Tapped in, man.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Ethel, where'd she go? No, I asked you. Which way she go? Hmm? If Dr. Bishop coming on 5 stars, absolutely not. And what's your moon sign, man?
My moon sign, Sagittarius, 4th house, Cancer.
Hmm. What's the sun?
Sun, Leo, 12th house.
Oh, Pisces.
Yeah.
What's Mercury?
Leo, 12th house. Same as Venus.
What's right?
Mars, and Libra, in the 2nd house.
And Venus?
Leo in the 12th house.
Oh, wow. Appreciate it. No, I don't got no prescription glasses. I just live. I like the fact that I can't see from far away because it gives me my insight. A lot of times y'all put glasses on and you sharpen your eyesight, but your insight goes. I have intuition. So my eyes is the way it's supposed to be. It just is what it is. I don't want to sharpen my eyesight because I understand how equilibrium goes. Equalizing. If you sharpen your eyesight, you'll dull your insight. These eyes are not important as my heart and the intuition that I have. So I like that my eyesight is a little blurry from a far distance. It's just enough for me to see, but my insight, my intuition is on point. And so sometimes you can have bad eyesight because you have better insight and it makes up for the eyesight. Like a lot of water signs got bad